Morning students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, and that is fossil fuels. Regarding fossil fuel, you must have read something in earlier classes also. About them we will discuss in more details in this lesson. Today the first topic which we will be going to start, that is natural resources. You all must be familiar with this term. Natural resources are those materials that are important for our daily needs and are obtained from nature. For example, air, water, petroleum, sunlight, etc. Without these natural resources, human beings cannot imagine their daily life. So, they are very important for us. Now, we will discuss about the types of natural resources. First is exhaustible natural resource. They are the resources that are present in exhausted due to human activities. We all know the population of human beings that is going on increasing rapidly, and as a result of this, the human beings are using up the various natural resources at that speed only. So there has been an increase danger in some of the natural resources whose reserve is limited. Those natural resources are exhaustible natural resources, and it is very necessary to preserve those natural resources and use them judiciously. Example of exhaustible natural resources are minerals, forest, coal, petroleum, etc. Now, the second type of natural resource is inexhaustible natural resource. They are the resources that are present in large amount in nature and they cannot be exhausted. Some resources are gifted by the nature and they are in abundance, and how much we are using, they are never going to end. So these resources are inexhaustible natural resources. Example of inexhaustible natural resources are wind, water, soil, solar energy, etc. And so it is upon us whether to use or depend on exhaustible natural resource or inexhaustible natural resource. Nowadays, human beings have developed several ways to use these inexhaustible natural resources to obtain energy and to save the exhaustible natural resource. So that's all for today. Rest of the things we will discuss in next class. Thank you.